Hey Mark, I just want to say thank you very much for sending me a donation on PayPal. I actually just saw it today. I know it's a few days back. I'm sorry I didn't see it before now. I read my personal emails usually on Saturdays, so yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and please reach out. You know my email address. If there's any feedback you have to Notion to Anki, I'm very open to updating stuff and actively trying to improve the tool to make it easier for people to use. So yeah, and also let me know how you learned about PayPal and why are you using PayPal. Tell me a little bit about yourself. What's your goal with Notion to Anki? Is there anything I can help you with? And yeah, thank you very much again for being my first PayPal donation. So it's very exciting. Right now I'm in my home. I got the iMac there and green screen. I was considering doing a recording for you, but I thought, let me show you the real stuff. So yeah, see you soon.